Honorable Chairman, sir, thank you for giving me the opportunity to take up an important issue. I rise to draw the urgent attention of this House to the continued distress of women workers implementing critical government programs, ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers and helpers, and the community resource persons under the National Rural Livelihood Mission. Sir, these initiatives are intended as pathways to women's empowerment. However, despite their vital contribution to public service delivery, these women workers are overburdened and underpaid. Across the country, ASHA workers undertake immunization, mobilization, maternal health, and family welfare. Yet, they remain volunteers with low honoraria and limited social security. Anganwadi workers are similarly paid a meager base honorarium of rupees 4,500 and rupees 2,250 per month by the union government. Sir, beyond low pay, there are currently near 3 lakh vacancies in the ICDS at various levels. These gaps leave lakhs and lakhs of children and mothers without essential services. Even when filled, these posts fall short of population norms due to the lack of updated census figures since 2011. Sir, through you, I urge the government to work closely with the states to prioritize the following measures. 1, filling of all existing vacancies. 2, timely remuneration to all workers. 3, doubling of union government's contribution to the pay of these frontline workers. 4, appointment of an additional ASHA worker in villages with a population greater than 2,500. 5th, doubling of the number of Anganwadi workers to enable early childhood education in addition to existing nutrition and health initiatives. Sir, I wish to emphasize that strengthening, expanding, and supporting this workforce is an investment in India's future. Thank you.